Hello friends, can you solve the given problem? Today we have trigonometry problem number 1. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like bank PO, UPSC exam, CAT, MAT, GMAT, railway exam, SSC, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of trigonometrical problems. Let's start. If x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to under the root x square plus y square and cos square theta upon a square plus sin square theta upon b square equal to 1 by x square plus y square, then correct relation is 4 options are given. So by solving given expression, we want to find the correct relation. For this, first given expression is x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to under the root x square plus y square. This implies x upon under the root x square plus y square cos theta plus minus y upon under the root x square plus y square sin theta, this is equal to 1. Now we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. This is equation number 1. So comparing 1 and 2, comparing equation number 1 and 2, we get cos theta equal to x upon under the root x square plus y square and sin theta equal to minus y upon under root x square plus y square. So we have the value of cos theta and sin theta. Now second expression given, this is equal to cos square theta. Second expression क्या है, cos square theta upon a square plus sin square theta upon b square equal to 1 upon x square plus y square. So suppose this is equation number 3. Now substitute the values of cos theta and sin theta. Cos theta and sin theta in equation number 3. We get, now substitute the value of cos theta and sin theta. So we get x square upon x square plus y square into 1 by a square plus y square upon x square plus y square into 1 by b square equal to 1 upon x square plus y square. So we have common factor. This implies 1 upon x square plus y square common. So we have x square upon a square plus y square upon b square, and this is equal to 1 upon x square plus y square. Now x square plus y square plus y square cancel out, then this implies x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So this is the relation we have. So x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. And this is which one? X square upon a square plus y square upon b square means b, the second one. Second one is the correct relation. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.